Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Tuesday of April 6, 2021. Please click the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube so that you can be up to date on the market. First, let's take a look to see where the main market index are doing right now, and after that I'm going to show you the three sector and three stocks that are on the move right now. So first of all, let's take a look at the SP 500. SP 500 is still very strong, as you can see here. After they be able to break out this level, and then the last couple of days they continue to push it up to the upside. The Nasdaq is also, after they complete the invert head and shoulder, now they continue to put it up to the upside. And the Dow is also very strong. They make it all-time high and to continue to the upside. The Russell 2000 is also fall behind, but they try to catch up right now. So with the help of SP 500, and definitely they will lift this one up and continue to the upside. If you look at the gold sector right now, gold is also trying to find the bottom here. If they can clear this resistance here, gold will find a way to break out and continue to the upside. The crude oil, the last couple of days, to go sideways after the OPEC, they increase the production, so the oil price is stabilized, but they are not going up, so they are in a sideways correction right now. In the other hand, you can see that the Bitcoin is also, they get a problem to break through this resistance here, but they are not going down, so they go sideways to build up another momentum before they can break out and go higher. But in the other hand, the Ethereum is very strong, and then you see that after the breakout, it continues to push it back to the upside right now. Okay, so as you know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Trading involves significant with knowledge of the market. You need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology. You need to be in the right community that and attend our live trading room daily. Not everyone helping each other to success. You can ask and get answers to confirm your thinking before you take in a trade. This is the time for you to invest in education so that you can survive in this volatile market. Now, let me show you the three sectors and the three stocks that are on the move. First of all, if you look at the retail sector, the retail sector is still doing very well. Right now, if you can see that the retail sector is also held up pretty well at the support. Now they try to find a way to push it back up. So in this sector, I'm going to pick one stock that I'm going to show you, BPY. Okay, so this one is Best Buy. Everyone knows Best Buy. So Best Buy, after since October, they come down to the bottom on the end of March. Now they try to put it back up. They retest the resistance here, so they fail. Now they pull back down, and the last couple of days they gain up momentum, so they are ready to break out this level and continue to the upside. Okay, so that's the retail sector. The second sector that I'm going to show you, which is a gold sector. Okay, like I showed you earlier, gold at 5 double bottom. Now they're able to break out, and then they try to find a way to put it up to the upside. So I'm going to pick up one stock in this sector at the GLD. Okay, so this one here, you can see this stock has been slamming down since last year. They come down here, and now they stabilize. They found double bottom, and now the last couple of days they build up a momentum to get up to the upside. And if they can clear this resistance here, gold will continue to put it up to the upside. Okay, and the next one is, as you know, that the electric vehicle and anything related, like the charging station and batteries, well, they try to find a way to stabilize with the benefit of $2.2 trillion from Mr. President Joe Biden. So definitely they will continue to help up those sectors. Okay, so I'm going to pick up one stock in this sector. That's the BLNK. So this one is Blink Charging Station. Okay, doesn't matter how many electric cars, but on the way they need the place to charge. So they're going to build up a lot of charging stations all over the place. So this stock, after they found the bottom here, they'll be able to continue to break out here. So if they clear this resistance here, this stock will have more room to roll to the upside. Okay, So beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we handpick about 4 or 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.